Well, the story's a serious one. Of course, I've had many instances in life where I cheated death. It's like death's always been kind of chasing me. I was hit by the train. I was in a rollover car accident. Just so many times that I came really close to dying. But this one was really a strange story that's interesting, I guess, especially if it happens to you. But anyway, it goes back to 1988, and I was working. I was the manager of a fitness weightlifting center, and it was a really nice center. It had a swimming pool and 2 or 3 hot tubs and 2 aerobic rooms and weights everywhere. It was really nice, and it was in a nice town where people had money. And this one guy that was wealthy, he joined my club, and we became friends. And one day he walked in and he said, let's go to the beach this weekend. We'll take my plane. I have an airplane. And he said, we'll play golf. He he said, I'll get 2 other guys, so there'll be 4 of us, and we'll go down and play golf Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And he said, I'll pay for everything, food, everything. Don't worry about bringing any money. And I told him, I said, man, Marvin, that's great. I would love to. And he said, well, let's go then. Let's plan it. So we planned it, and we were to leave on a Thursday night. And I had made all the arrangements to somebody to cover the gym, so I wouldn't have to worry about the gym and all that. So I made all the arrangements and was very excited. So Wednesday, in the middle of the night, about 2 or 3 o'clock, I woke up with a kidney stone. Now, I've had well over 30 kidney stones in my life. So my first one I was 19 years old. So, I know what they are. And I woke up and I thought, oh no. And it was a bad one, but I was determined to go on the trip anyway. So I tried to stay here at the house and battle the pain. I was taking medicine, drinking tons of water. And finally at 7 o'clock in the morning, I was hurting so bad that I knew there's no way I could go, that I'd have to go to the hospital. So I called Marvin up and I said, Marvin, I apologize. And he said, what? And I told him, I said, I've got a kidney stone. I said, I've tried all night to pass it and I can't pass it. And I said, I'm going to have to cancel. I said, I just feel so bad. And he goes, don't worry. I said, you can't go with a kidney stone. He said, don't worry about it. I'll get somebody else. He said, we'll go next time. He said, I go down every few weeks anyway. And I said, thanks, Marvin. I said, I want to go, believe me. So anyway, I went to the hospital, and I was up there all day. And I finally got home. They pumped me full of drugs to try to get the pain. I finally started feeling okay about 4 o'clock. I got home, and I laid on the couch, and I was sleeping, and I woke up maybe, 6:30, 7, something like that. But anyway, I was flipping through the channels, and I went to the news, and I saw where a plane crashed. And I thought, I don't know where that is. And then it started telling, and it was right here at the airport where I was supposed to go to, and found out that it was the plane I was supposed to be on. So I always say that there's one kidney stone in my life that I had that I love, that is a wonderful kidney stone. It was a good one because it actually saved my life. I was supposed to be on that plane. Everybody died. It was a terrible thing, of course, for all these good people to die, and I felt awful about it. But I was supposed to be on that plane. I'm sure I would have been killed also. So that's another time death missed me, and I just something you never forget. But I guess that's my kidney stone plane story.